Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, your daily destination for trusted tech reviews. Today, we're looking at a dash cam that brings elite imaging and cutting-edge connectivity to your car, the BlackVue Plus, a one-channel 4K UHD dash cam that's designed for drivers who demand the highest level of protection and performance. Let's start with what sets this camera apart. Its 4K Ultra HD recording powered by the latest STARVIS 2 sensor. This next-gen sensor delivers unmatched clarity, color accuracy, and low-light performance, capturing critical details like license plates, pedestrians, and traffic lights even in dim conditions. Whether you're driving through a city at night or cruising down a highway at noon, your footage stays razor-sharp and highly detailed. The DR970X-1CH Plus is built around a one-channel setup, meaning it focuses solely on the road ahead, ideal for drivers who want maximum resolution without splitting camera resources between front and rear. It also comes with 64 GB of storage built in, and it supports automatic loop recording so you'll never miss a moment. But the power of the DR970X extends beyond the lens. This dashcam features built-in GPS and dual-band Wi-Fi, so you can track routes, speed, and access your recordings wirelessly via the BlackVue app. Everything from live view, downloads, and settings can be handled right from your smartphone. Where it really shines is in its cloud functionality. With an optional LTE module, you can enjoy features like remote live viewing, real-time alerts, and automatic backup to the cloud. If you're away from your vehicle, you can still monitor it from anywhere in the world, a must-have for rideshare drivers, fleet managers, or security-conscious owners. The DR970X also includes parking mode support, with motion detection and impact triggers. When hardwired or used with a power pack, the camera continues to protect your vehicle while you're away, recording any suspicious activity or bumps around the clock. Setup is a breeze thanks to its sleek, discreet design and adhesive mount. Just plug it in, link the app, and you're ready to go with high-end protection in minutes. If you're looking for a dash cam that offers the sharpest video, smoothest app experience, and always-on cloud protection, the BlackVue DR970X-1CH Plus should be at the top of your list. Hit that like button, subscribe to Gadgetverse for more pro-level gear reviews, and check out the Amazon link below to lock in next-gen dashcam protection today.